say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And
Alright, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our lovely couple. And of course, couple, please continue your speed dance, of course. Let's now proceed to our prosperity dance or the money dance. Okay, so we're going to have our love string. So maybe call out the best man in the maid of honor to hold the love string. Where are you guys? And of course, if meron po kayong mga envelope na or angpaw, pwede nyo po siyang i-clip sa ating love string. But if wala naman po, we have our envelope or it's a personalized envelope.